In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube keyword tool. Now that could apply to a lot of different tools, but most of them out there have a lot of hype, but they don't actually get you a lot of results. So I'm going to demonstrate what I do to get videos ranked at the top of YouTube. I do things quite a bit differently than what you may be thinking. Let me show you. Okay, take a look at this page here on YouTube. I typed in that question at the top, how to discipline a child that lies and steals. And notice the video that's at the very top. This is Nicolene Peck. On the right, you'll see a panel there for VidIQ. I have the VidIQ plugin installed in Chrome, and it's giving me a score of 32 out of 100. And it even says the competition is very high. So how can that be? I knew exactly what I was doing, and I put that video at the top of YouTube. I would give that a score of 100. If I go into the analytics of YouTube and use the TubeBuddy tool, it's giving me a score of 50%. So that's what I mean when I say a lot of the tools out there have a lot of hype. These are tools built especially for YouTube, and yet they don't know what they're doing. Part of the problem is SEO started with Google when Google was a website search engine. And so there's a certain way that you could do keyword research to get a website ranking at the top of Google. Well, Google has shifted. Now Google is a content search engine primarily, and YouTube is a content search engine. So now the rules have changed for the type of content you've got to create to get it to rank at the top of YouTube and the top of Google. Now we're looking at the details section for this video. Now I'm not going to touch anything because this video is live. It's already published on YouTube. But when a tool like this is VidIQ's recommendation, it's recommending better titles to give this video. But that is if you want suggested traffic, not if you want search traffic. Search traffic is better for lead generation. And the title that I chose got it ranked at the top of YouTube. Now everyone asks about where to put in keywords. So let me just show you the keyword field. If you scroll down, you have to keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, down past paid promotion. Why do they put it so low? Okay, here we go. It's called tags. If I would have had 0 tags in here, it would make no difference for this video. It's like it's just wasted. YouTube admits that they pay no attention to the keyword field anymore. So what does YouTube use instead? YouTube automatically transcribes your video. So the title is very important. You do keyword research, you find the leaf title. I talk all about leaf titles and my tree analogy on this channel. So you pick the leaf title or that question, that becomes the title. So in your video, you're answering that question. You're naturally going to use all the keywords and all the related topics and everything that relate to that title. And so YouTube automatically transcribes that, and YouTube knows what your video is about. If you put the wrong thing in the keyword field, some things that you don't actually talk about, that will actually hurt you. So the tags field can hurt your video, it just can't help it. The reason I love focusing on questions so much is this is the way that you can hone in to find what questions are your target audience asking, and those are the questions you answer in your YouTube videos. So just to show you some examples, if you type in how to get business credit with poor personal credit, you find Noel Randall ranked at the top. If you type in buying vacant land in Florida, you see Brent Bowers at the top. There's Stan the Annuity Man at the top. There's Doug Andrew at the top. There's Jason Schroeder at the top. Here's Michelle Villalobos in the top, position 2 and 3. Here's Jason Hewlett at the top. Here's Nicole Espinosa at the top. Ted Thomas, Dan Good, Verl Workman, Laurel Langmeyer, Chris Miles, Chris Abbott, Dr. P, Jay Townsend, Chad Littlefield, Paul Jenkins, and Nicolene Peck. I recorded another video to actually demonstrate how I do this keyword research. The strategy is called the Leaf Strategy. So I'll link to it on this page. Go ahead and watch that video next. It's called YouTube SEO, the Leaf Strategy.